Uh, Amit sir, please continue.
Okay. So, good morning, all dear participants. Welcome you again in the 21 days national refresher course on current development in veterinary and fishery sciences, and jointly organized by the Rajuas, Kufos, and NADCL. So we are fortunate to have Dr. Dinesh Manohar Rao Chauhan as a resource person for today's valuable lecture on smart technologies and innovations in livestock and fisheries product processing. So before we starting the presentation, I would like to introduce Dr. Dinesh. So Dr. Dinesh has completed his BSc from MAPSU, Maharashtra, and then MSc from Jorat. And after that, he completed his PhD from the CVS Navania Rajwas Bikaner. Dr. Chauhan has served as a teaching associate at Ranchi Veterinary College and thereafter scientist in the Bombay Veterinary College. And he has guided 4 MBA students as a major advisor, and currently he is also serving for the college administration as a academic coordinator and in charge of establishment and convener of the placement and anti-ragging cells of CVS Navania. His research involvement includes roles as a PI of the project on milk and milk product marketing, co-PI of the Center for Organic Animal Product Technology, and nodal officer of the Desi Govans Dugdh Evam Dugdh Utpadan Kendra. So after this brief intro, I would like to request Dr. Chauhan to start his presentation. Hello.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for my
Good morning,
introduction.
sir. I
Yes, good
welcome
morning.
you on the behalf of organizing secretary of this refresher course, and I would like to request you start your presentation, sir. Over to Johan, sir.
Okay. So, I think I am audible and my presentation is visible to all of you.
Yes, sir. Perfectly, sir.
Yes.
You may proceed, sir.
So, myself, Dr. Dinesh M. Chauhan. I am Senior Assistant Professor and in charge in CVS Navania Udaipur. It is under Rajuas Bikaner. And organizer has given me the opportunity to present a talk. The topic that is smart technology and innovation in livestock and fishery products processing. So today we will discuss about the smart technology, what are the innovation in livestock and fishery products processing. So first we will see what is the importance of livestock and fishery products, essential fishery products which are there. So you all know that livestock and fishery products like milk, meat, egg, and fish are vital for food security, especially in developing countries like India. These sectors provide jobs to various persons, millions of persons, and also it provides the protein to number of people. Here, the products like milk, meat, and egg and fish. These are the main products which we are getting from the livestock and fishery. It it in 2021, FAO has estimated that the population is increasing, and about in 2050 the population will grow to about 10.1 billion. So FAO estimated that the demand for the livestock products such as meat and fish is increased in 2050, and the increase in meat uh, production or demand is about 14%, and for fish it is about 18%. So that's why this is the very big issue that population is increasing, and we have to produce the products like meat and fish and egg products for those population. But this sector face big problems like you all know that problems like water scarcity, diseases, several diseases are there, climatic change, and we are uh, till date we are using old processing methods. Those old processing methods which are wasting our time and resources too. That's why we need some smart technologies. And in India, or in developed countries, you know that smart technologies are there, but in developing countries like India, Bangladesh, and Vietnam, such countries, they are also now utilizing these smart technology or modern tools to meet the demands. So, smart technologies, what are smart technologies? The smart technologies are the modern tools which are using data from the machines to improve farming and processing. Before that, we will see the what is the contribution of livestock and fishery to the Indian economy. The contribution to Indian economy from livestock is around 4.4%, and from fisheries it is around 1.1%, and it also supports the 70% of rural population. This data is from Department of Animal Husbandry Department 2019, and also from Food and Agriculture Organization 2023. So now we'll see what are the smart technologies. So you know that the smart technologies are modern tools using data for improving the farming and processing. This includes several uh, technologies, but the main technologies are IoT. Now, blockchain. These are the in some places Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Now I'll share this PPT. Hello. Hello, participants.
Yes, sir.
You can continue. You can continue, sir. You are audible. Your presentation is over.
Okay. So we are talking about smart technologies and innovation in livestock and fishery processing. So we have already discussed this importance of livestock and fishery products, and you people all know that this milk, meat, and egg and fish, they are providing us the security, nutritional security, and food securities, and employment to million people, and you're also giving the essential proteins to human beings. And as per FAO 2021 data, they are saying that the population of whole world will be increased up to 10.1 billion into up to 2050. And because of that, the demand for different meat, milk, egg, and fish products will be increased in globally. So this meat demand will increase by 14%, and fish demand will be increased by 18%. So this is according to FAO, Feed and Food and Agriculture Organization 2021 data. So you people know that the contribution of this livestock and fisheries in the Indian economy or GDP. So our livestock is giving about 4.4% contribution to the Indian GDP, and fishery or aquaculture is giving 1.1% of contribution to the national GDP, Indian GDP, and it also supports to the several rural population around 70%. This is as per the Department of Animal Husbandry Department 2019 data and FAO 2023 data. So I think up to this we have covered earlier. Now we'll see one by one what are the key challenges. So the developing countries like India having huge population, huge animal population, so many resources are there. But then also there are certain challenges. The first challenge, that is key challenge, is water scarcity. You people are knowing that we are facing the water scarcity in several states, state like Maharashtra also. Uh, different outbreaks of different diseases we are also finding all over the India. So there are several animal and fish diseases. One more challenge is climate change. Everybody is talking about the climate change, and for this challenge, we have to do certain things so that these problems should be sorted out. Then one more challenge, key challenge is we are using the processing methods. Those are outdated. And in syllabus also, in UG syllabus or PG syllabus, you can find so many processing methods. Those are outdated. Then also we are studying, we are gaining knowledge. But if you'll see the different developing countries, then we'll see that those things or those processing methods are already outdated, and developing countries are are using so many new technologies or smart technologies to overcome such challenges. Because of using these outdated processing methods, we are wasting our resources also, and we are wasting our time also. So that's why we have to use certain smart technologies or smart innovation, which we'll see in next slides. So before going to the smart technology, we'll see what are the role of smart technology. So there are certain technologies like IoT, AI, robotics, blockchain, and some sensors or biosensor, which we can use in various livestock farms and processing farms and aquaculture also. So role of those technologies is it improves the output and efficiency. Whatever we are getting from those number of livestock, so that we can improve, we can reduce the resource waste also. Whatever resources we are wasting, we are that we can reduce. It also enhance the traceability from the farm to ultimate consumer. It also uh, boost the export and compliance, because where we are exporting our meat or fish products or different egg products or egg, fish and meat products. So those countries are having their own standards or laws. So as per those laws, we have to use certain smart technologies. So if we use those certain smart technologies, so that helps to boost the exports and compliance. So there are certain main smart technologies. So many smart technologies are there, but we will see about these five important smart technologies which are using all over the world and developing countries like India. So first one is Internet of Things. In short, we can say IoT. Second one is artificial intelligence, AI. Next one is machine learning, in short, ML. Then robotics and automation. The next one is robotics and automation. Then next one is blockchain, and next one is smart sensors and biosensors. So later on we'll see one by one in detail. So first is IoT, Internet of Things. So Internet of Things means devices like sensors and cameras. Those are fitted in aquaculture or livestock farms that collect and share the data online. In livestock, these IoT devices like smart collars. The best example of smart collar is cowler, COWLAR. So this cowler is used to detect or catch the diseases early. So saves the uh, it saves the this one veterinary cost. That means whatever we are giving veterinary treatment to animal, that can be reduced by 15%, and we can reduce the feed waste by 25%. Certain pond, uh, that means this one sensors we can utilize in fish ponds to check the oxygen and pH or humidity and these things in fish ponds. So it also reduce the feed waste. So here in photograph you can see this is the photograph of a cow collar. In short, it is called as cowler. This is developed by certain companies, and this cowler is fitted on this cow, the neck of the cow. Now, next one is AI and machine learning applications. So, because of AI is acts like a smart brain, and it also analyze the data and it make the decision. And ML is helps to learn from data. That means machine is itself learn from the data whatever that machine is getting. So that is ML. Now we'll see what are the AI and ML applications. So AI tools like cattle eye. The best example of AI tool is cattle eye. We check the cow behavior and to increase milk production. And in one study, the researchers say that because of using this cattle eye, the milk production is increased by about 10%. In fish processing also, people are using AI, which finds defects in fish fillets. You people are knowing that fish fillets is the boneless fish or meat we are getting from the fish. We have to cut the fish lengthwise so that we have to get this one boneless meat from the fish. So people are using this AI in fish processing. So compared to manual filleting and this this one AI is uh, improving the quality by 20%. One researcher has mentioned that the quality of fish or fish fillets is increased by 20%. In India, in certain things or in certain farms, people are using AI, which predict the yields of different crops and fish, which helps the farmers to plan the plan better in better way. Now, next one is robotics and automations. So, robotics and automations, people are using. People are talking about different robots. People are also scared of these robots also because they are thinking that if robots come, no one will give uh, work to the human being or uh, labors. So robots, you people know that robots can do repetitive tasks like milking of cow and cutting fish. So if we do these things manually, so we required number of labors. But with one robot, we can do these things for several times or repetitive times or number of times. So in dairy farms, automated milking system, in short, it is called as AMS, people are using. So it helps to reduce the labor time by 30%. And if we use this automated robotics or automations in filleting of fish, so it also increase the fish filleting by about 20%. And we can reduce the labor up to 30 to 40%. So in India, small robotic systems also tested in fish markets for sorting of fish and packaging of seafood. Next one is blockchain application, or you people are knowing that tracing. Tracing. So blockchain is a digital record that can't be changed. We can with this blockchain we can track the products from farm to shop or farm to ultimate consumers. In fisheries also we can use this one blockchain so that we can spot the illegal fishing, and it reduced the illegal fishing by 40%. So in livestock, blockchain verifies if meat is organic, so you people are knowing that organic products are there and in market, but people think that though there is on packets organic symbol is there, but whether these products are organic or not. So because of this blockchain applications or tracking ID, the customers trust can be built, and customers are very this one sure that these products are came from the organic farms only. In some startups in India, blockchains or tracking IDs or tracking systems are used for the milk and fish supply. So, example is Licious. Licious is a company which is supplying meat products and meat and fish to different parts of the countries, especially in South India. So, Licious is using blockchain system for this one supply of chicken and fishes also. So in photograph you can see the blockchain systems. So this is the blockchain system for the fisheries. You can see here fisheries or fish farm is there, then transportation, from transportation it is going to warehouses, then to retailers, and then to consumers. And on packet you can find this symbol. So by that, using mobile, we can scan that QR code, and we can get the information that from which farm it is collected, by which means of transportation is it transported, and in which warehouses or wholesaler it is kept, and for how much time it is kept, then from which retailer it is selling. That means we know everything about the that product, and this all is controlled by the this blockchain applications. This is the smart technology because of this one mobiles and different AI tools, the computer, laptops. We are storing the data of blockchain, and this data we cannot this means change. So people those are using these products, they are very sure that the the products are from the reputed or trustworthy companies. The next one is smart sensor and biosensors. So uh, sensors like to check the temperature, humidity, these to check the temperature and humidity, different sensors are there. We are using those sensors in different parts of the country. And some biosensors which find the harmful bacteria in meat and fish. So those are the biosensors which can detect various bacteria in meat or fish and making products 50% more safer. Hello? Hello? Hello, participant, please unmute, mute yourself. So smart sensors and biosensors in different parts of country we are using, and these biosensors can make the product safer up to 50%. In India, hello, please mute. In different farms, these RFID tags, radio frequency identification tags, are using in several cattle farms, which can track the movement of the animals. And because of this, we can ensure the safe
Dinesh
meat.
sir, please, presentation is not visible. Go to the PowerPoint window.
Hello, is it visible now? Hello?
No, participants, can you confirm? Hello?
Hello, participants?
Yeah,
Present
it is visible, sir.
Okay, sir,
visible.
please continue.
Okay. So we are talking about the smart sensor and biosensors. So in smart sensors or biosensors, in different farms, RFID tags are using for tracking different movements of cattle. And because of this, we can ensure the food safety or meat safety to the ultimate consumers. Now, whatever technologies we have seen in previous slides, so we have given those things in tabulated forms. So main smart technologies and their uses. So in this table, you can see there are 5 technologies in next column: livestock uses, fishery uses, and what are the benefits. The first technology, we already discussed this one. Then also we will see once again. So first one is IoT. In IoT, we can use IoT in livestock farms to track the health of different animals, to check the feed, and in fisheries also we can utilize this IoT to check the water quality and to feed the fishes automatically. So what are the benefits using this one? IoT, it saves the time, and it also reduces the costs of feeding on and feed products. So next one is AI and ML. So artificial intelligence and machine learning in cattle farms or in livestock farms. It can analyze the cow behavior, and it also gives the alert of various diseases. In fishery, we can detect the defects in fillet. Fillet is a meat from boneless meat from the sheep, fish, and it also we can also predict the yield of fishes from the certain ponds or certain things. So, what are the benefits of AIML? So, it gives better quality, and we can smart plant the plant smartly. The next one is robotics. Robotics in livestock farms we are using. So it helps in milking, in meat cutting, and packaging of meat and meat products. In fishery, uh, people are using this robotics for filleting of fish, sorting of fish, and packaging of feed. So because of this robotics, we can this save very cost of the labor, and it also we can save the time because robotics work faster and it do various tasks repetitively. So because of this, we can save money, labor, and time also. Next one is blockchain. For blockchain in livestock farms, we are using blockchain to trace the meat or meat products, and or it also helps in organic certification also. In fishery, we can track the supply chain of fish. So what are the benefits? It gives a trust, and we can check or reduce the loss frauds also. So next one is sensors. In sensors, some smart sensors and biosensors are there. So smart sensor and biosensors in livestock farms, it helps to control the temperature, and it also helps to detect certain germs or bacteria. So that's why it is called as biosensors. And in fishery, we can monitor the water quality, humidity, oxygen level, and cleanliness of that water ponds. And it also helps to track the cold chain. So because of this, we can supply different products in safe way to the ultimate consumers, and also it helps to um, reduce the waste of our resources and time too. Now we'll see the applications of smart technologies in livestock products processing. So what are the applications? We'll see one by one. So first one is precision livestock farming. In short, it is called as PLF, precision livestock farming. So in for precision livestock farmings, we are using different IoT, AI, and different sensors to keep animals healthy and productive. You know that in India, our farmers are small because our animals are scattered. Farmers are using, uh, farmers are having only a few number of animals. That's why for those farmers, people are using IoT collars to check the temperature and movements and to check various diseases encountered in this one, cows or animals. And a study in Gujarat in 2023 that showed that this PLF, precision livestock farming, is helps to cut the death of cows by around 12%. That means cow death they have reduced up to 12% by using this precision livestock farming, and it also helps to increase the yield of milk by 8%. Certain smart feeders we can utilize in livestock farms. In 2009, when I visited Chitale Dairy, that is in Maharashtra, in 2009, I have seen that they were using smart feeders to adjust the diets of the cows and buffaloes over there. So because of that, they have reduced the cost of feed. So this study showed that the smart feeders can reduce the feed cost by about 10%. And in Tamil Nadu also, certain people are using IoT apps, and it helps those farmers to track the milk quality, and it also helps to reduce the spoilage of milk by about 15%. Then next one is automated processing systems. So automated processing systems or automatic livestock processing. So AMS or automated processing systems. The best example is Amul. Amul is using automated uh, processing systems in their farm, and because of this, they are this one farming, or they are rearing the animal without or less number of this one laborers. AI also helps to inspect the meat quality, and in Punjab, this robotics is helps to increase the output by 18% because of utilizing robots. So in certain farms, AI cameras are installed. Those are for checking the bad meat and this is reducing waste. And it noted that the waste is reduced by 15% in those farms where they are using this AI cameras. Next one is traceability and quality in livestock. So what is traceability and quality in livestock? So for traceability, blockchain technology is used. The blockchain tracks are the which tracks the meat from farm to shop or from farm to ultimate consumers. It ensures the safe and fresh meat to the ultimate consumers. In India, I already told you that The company like Licious is utilizing this blockchain technology to show their customer that they are using or they are utilizing or they are getting the chicken from the uh, best farms or reputed farms. They are using those livestock or chicken or fish to supply the different ultimate consumers. And because of this, they are they have reported that up to 30% fraud they have reduced because you people know that in most of the country, number of people are doing uh, this fishing and fishing in areas without getting permission from the certain authorities or government. And because of this biosensor, that fraud is reduced by 30%, and it is already mentioned in the research papers. So biosensors in meat plants also utilized to detect the certain germs like E. coli, which increase the safety of products by 50%. In certain farms, RFID tags also utilized, which tracks the buffaloes, especially in state like Uttar Pradesh. These RFID tags are using it ensure the safe food, or it also helps to export the meat to different countries. It ensure the export standards. This RFID, radio frequency identification system, they are using. Then because of this AI, we can manage the waste also. So AI also convert the waste into biogases. IoTs is people are using IoTs to track the energy and water use. Because of this, we can minimize the use of energy and water. In Maharashtra, in one project is there. In that, they are utilizing their AI, and they are because of their AI, they are converting slaughterhouses waste in biogas. And because of this, it reduced the landfill by about 30%. In India, where water is scarce, it is you can see that a scarcity of water is there. So IoT irrigation people are using, and this IoT irrigation can save up to 25% water in farms. Now we'll see the impact of smart technologies in livestock processing in India. This data, whatever we are, this table is showing, it is from 2022 to 2025. So technologies are same: IoT, AI, robotics, blockchain, and sensors. Now we'll see the use and impact of that. So first technology, that is IoT, it used to monitor the health of the cow. What is the impact? It reduces the cost of veterinary expenses by 15%. AI is utilized to check the quality of meat and fillets. So, because of this, the contamination of meat or fish, we can reduce up to 50%. Then robotics, so that repetitive tasks we have to do. So to do the repetitive tasks, we are using robotics. So this robotics is utilized to cut the meat, and because of this, 18% output we are getting. That means we can increase the output by 18% by utilizing this robotics in meat cutting farms. Then blockchain. So blockchain is used to trace the meat, and because of this, 30% uh, fraud of meat or fish we can reduce. Then next one is sensors, different sensors like biosensors or smart sensor. So in waste management, people are utilizing, and because of this, 20% water and electricity uh, we can reduce the use of water and electricity. Then we'll see some smart the application of this smart system in our aquaculture systems. So aquaculture is nothing but the fishery. So in fishery processing, for different process like cleaning, cutting, packaging, or freezing of fish and seafoods, these different smart technologies or techniques we are utilizing. So this fish or fishery or aquaculture is giving employment to about 14 million people. And as per FAO 2023 data, about 14.5 million tons of fish we are producing yearly. And for this, we have to use these smart techniques. The first technique is IoT, IoT sensors in ponds. We have already discussed that to check the oxygen level, pH, and temperature in fish ponds. We can use IoT sensors. And this AI also predict the different fish diseases, and we can predict the yield of fish also. This helps to decrease the waste by 25%. So next one is automated fish processing. So automated fish processing, for automated fish processing, people are using robots. In Kerala, robotic filleting machines are using filleting just to remove the meat from the bone so that we can get the boneless fish meat. So these robotic filleting machines are 25% faster than the this one. So those are the techniques we are traditional techniques we are utilizing, and it also increases the yield by 15%. In certain farms, AI camera also utilized to check the bones or some bad quality of fish, uh, and it helps to improve the quality of products by about 50%. In Chennai, in sheep markets, certain scientists has or certain researchers as this one check the system in fish markets of Chennai and found that these machines are very helpful to sort the fish and to pack the shrimps, and it also helps to save the labor and time by about 30%. Next one is traceability in fisheries. So like livestock farms or different livestock like cattle, buffalo, sheep, goats. So we can use this traceability or blockchain technology in fisheries also. It helps to verify the uh, sustainable catch, whether we have that means the fisherman has catch the fishes from the reputed or authorized farms or ponds. Then this IoT cold chain monitoring is helpful to uh, to know that whether the product is came by proper cold chain. You people, I think, hello, am I audible? Participants, hello, participants, am I audible?
Audible, sir. Yes, sir. Please
Okay,
continue.
Yes, sir.
So you people knowing that cold chain is very important task to maintain the quality of meat and fish. So because of this IoT, we can monitor the cold chain, and this helps to increase the fish export. And you people are knowing that about we are exporting about fish to the different countries of about 7 billion fishes to different of rupees 7 billion to different countries. So actually, this is not rupees. This is in dollars. 7 billion dollars fish we are exporting different into different countries from India. The next one is quality control and safety. So these different smart technologies we hello yes. Actually, sir, I'm busy. I'll talk to you later after half an hour. Yes, sir, I'm interested, but one lecture is going on online, sir. So I'll talk later, sir, after half an hour. Okay. Yeah, yes, sir, yes. I'll save this number. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now we'll see the different sensors. Sorry for disturbance. So different biosensors we are people are using to detect the vibrio in fish, which make the fish products or fish by 50% safer. AI X-ray also people are using, which helps to spot the bones and plastics in packaged fish. Because in several packets, if if we will not use this AI X-ray machines, so bones or certain plastic we can find in uh, packet fish. But to avoid this one, AI X-ray machines are utilized. People are using, so it improving the safety. In 2024, fish plant in Mumbai is utilizing AI to catch the or to check the different defects. So it helps to increase the quality of the those fishes by about 20%. And in West Bengal also, people are using IoT based cold chains or cold storage systems to keep the fresh fish, and it helps to uh, reduce the cost of packaging or to storage by about 15%. It is given by Feed and Agriculture Organization 2023 data. Then you'll see whatever technology we have seen or whatever smart technology we have seen that we are utilizing in fish processing. So in tabulated farm, it is given. So IoT people are using for to check the water quality and what is the impact. Because of this IoT, 25% feed waste is reducing. AI also people are using to detect the different uh, defects in fishes, and it gives better quality of about 20% better quality fishes to the consumers. Then for fish filleting also robotics they are utilizing, and because of this the processing of fish is enhanced by 25%. Then in for fish traceability, blockchain system is utilizing, and it helps to increase the export value by about 12%. In cold chain also, cold chain tracking for cold chain tracking also sensors are people are utilizing, and because of these sensors, uh, the spoilage of the fish or fish fillets is reduced by up to 18%. Now we'll see what are the challenges and solutions. So what are the challenges these technologies are facing? So you all know that this different smart technologies is having high cost. Like robots and IoTs are very costly. And if we use the milking machine, for robotic milking machine, it costs around 10 to 15 lakhs. So 10 to 15 lakhs is huge amount for small farmers like developing countries in India. And second challenge is poor rural internet. You know that I am also taking the class from the remote area, and we are facing this internet facility, poor rural internet, and because of that, this all these smart technologies they are based on the internet facilities, and because of this, the people from the remote areas cannot utilize these smart technologies like IoTs, AI, and machine learning. They are very hard to use. In one survey is there in 2023, the survey said that about 40% farmers in India are lacking the good internet facilities. So, if people in India or farmers in India, 40% farmers in India are not having good internet facilities, how can they utilize this one smart technologies? Then next one is low digital literacy. So uh, though we are good in the literacy, but in digital literacy we are lacking behind, and because of that, farmers don't know how to use the different smart technologies. Only 25% people in India, 25% farmers in India are trained or well trained, and they can use this digital or smart technology, but other 75% farmers they are not utilize or they are unable to utilize this one smart technologies. Then there are certain regulatory complexities, right? Like certain rules and regulations are there. So different countries are having their own laws and regulations. Because of this, utilizing a blockchain properly, it is very hard. And in India also, this different rules and laws are very critical, and people are unaware about those rules and regulations. And one more thing is there, this privacy of that data is also needs some cost, and that is around 10%. That means if we are utilize this IoT, hello,
Yeah,
different
Jai.
smart, hello,
Yes, sir.
yes, yes. Please, participant, please mute. So
Hello.
different, yes, to
Sir, please
make,
continue.
yes, yes, yes. To make the data private, we have to pay for that, and the cost is around 10%. And then one more thing, small scale farms. You people are knowing that uh, uh, in India, small farms are there, and people are keeping few animals with them. So because of uh, this big technologies or huge technologies like robots, we cannot we cannot utilize, or that don't suit to our small scale farms. So these are the challenges. Now we'll see what are the solutions. So we'll see the solution. So one problem was there, or what challenge was there, high cost. So to uh, face this high cost challenge or overcome this challenge, we can suggest to government that they can give some subsidies or loans to the farmers so that farmers can buy those new or smart technologies. And in 2024, I think the government has started the digital agriculture mission and gave around 500 crores rupees for this IoT and AI. And this mission is going on. So next one is the challenge was poor internet. So for poor internet, we can increase the capacity of this internet facilities. Like we can 5G technology we have to install in remote areas also, and we can utilize low cost networks like LoRa. LoRa is long range. LoRa is for long range. So long range we can utilize in remote areas, though the sharing of data is somewhat slower than the 5G, but it can utilize in remote areas also. It helps to improve the rural internet facilities. And one researcher has mentioned that LoRa is help around 1,000 people in India, and it also helps to share the data to in remote areas. Then second one, lack of skills was the challenge. So to overcome that challenge, we have to train the farmers or people in India. So that for that we have to arrange different training programs. So different companies, schools, and colleges or different universities like this Rajuas and are arranging different training programs so that people can get to know what are the smart technologies, smart tools, and how they can utilize those smart tools in their farms or maybe livestock or fisheries. So as per FAO 2023 data, uh, uh, in India, around 10,000 farmers have trained by different universities or schools and companies. And because of this technology utilization is increased by about 15%. Then one more challenge was there, rules and laws, critical rules and laws. So we can, or our government can simplify these rules and regulations so that uh, and the FAO also suggested a blockchain plan in 2024 so that these rules and regulations all over the world is simplified so that this can be utilized by the farmers all over the world, and it uh, helps to make the blockchain or tracking this one system easier. Then next one is small scale farms. So this was the challenge because all over India we can find small farms. So for those small farms, we have to develop small scale technologies. So companies in India, they are they have to develop certain low quality or low budget cheap products and high quality products, some small IoT devices, so that those cheap and small IoT devices can be utilized in small scale farms. In Kerala, low cost IoT sensors people or fish farmers are utilizing. And because of those low cost IoTs, the output of fish farms is increased by around 20%. So these are the solutions for all the problems. Now these challenges and solutions we will see in tabular form so that you people can understand very easily. So first challenge was high cost. So problem was because of expensive technologies, like robots are very expensive. So what is the solution? Solution is subsidies and loans from the government. So government is also running one program, that is Digital Agriculture Mission from 2024. Then one more challenge is poor internet, and especially in rural areas, connectivity is very poor. The solution is 5G and LoRa networks. So in around 1,000 farms, LoRa network is utilizing by the farmers. Then next one is lack of skills. So people don't know how to use AI and IoT. So because of uh, no training, or people are unaware, or they are not digitally aware. So what is solution? Solution is we have to plan certain training programs for those farmers. And in uh, recent years, around 10,000 farmers also already trained by different companies or universities. In India and in all over the world, we can find different rules and regulations which are very critical, and each uh, country is having their own rules and regulations. So it is very difficult to different livestock farmers and fish farmers to send or export their products to those countries, because those rules are very strict and complex. So for that, we have to make the simple global rules. FAO is also thinking about that. So FAO is planning to initiate a blockchain plan, which is applicable to all over the world. And India, one more problem is there. We are having small scale farms. Only small scale farms are there. So these technology is basically for the small large farm. So we have to develop this one cheap or devices in or sensors or robots for the small farms that should be high quality but should be cheap. And Kerala is utilizing these cheap and high quality products in small farms. Now, what are the future trends? Smart technologies is increasing day by day, and it grows like anything. And it also helps to change the livestock and fishery processing industries in India and all over the world, especially in developing countries. So we'll see what are the trends will be there in next 5 to 10 years. So first trend is AI for machine maintenance. So in future, AI will predict the machine breakdowns. It also helps to cut the labor or cost by about 20% by 2030. It's just the predictions. And in India, AI maintenance systems are being tested in dairy plants by certain researchers. By 2030, we can expect that fully robotics plants will increase in all over the uh, uh, developing countries like India, and it helps to increase the efficiency by 40%. In India, Tamil Nadu is planning to establish automated fish plants. It is by 2028. one more future trend is green processing. If people is knowing that this global warming is increasing, and for that we have to decrease the carbon footprints. So that's why we have to use some certain green processing technologies so that we can save the water and electricity and reduce the carbon emission. And because of utilizing these green processing, we can decrease this water, electricity, and carbon footprints by about 30%. And in one study, a researcher has mentioned that in Punjab, smart dairy are aiming to reduce this water utilization by about 25% by 2027. It's just a prediction. Then, because of this blockchain apps or blockchain properties or blockchain technology, we can build the customer trust because we have already discussed that QR codes are there, and the consumer can scan those QR codes and they can check the product details, the like from where we are getting this one, who have processed this one, how much for shelf life and everything. So the people are getting safe food because of this. And in one research, the researcher has mentioned that in Mumbai, fish markets are utilizing these QR codes, and because of this QR code, the fish sale is increased by about 10%. Then lab grown meat is one more future trend, maybe lab grown meat and fish also. So by 2030, this lab grown meat and fish is may or maybe increase by about 5% because utilization of this AI and sensor is increasing like anything, and is also helps to save the resources. And in Kerala lab, people are testing this lab grown fish. So I think just a prediction, by 2030, lab grown meat is also we can find in India, though in developed countries you can find lab grown meat. So many this one articles are there, and in markets also you can find in developed countries you can find this lab grown meat. So in India also by 2030 we are expecting. So now, after considering all those facts, we'll at the last end of this presentation. So, what are the conclusions? So, these smart technologies like IoT, AI, blockchain, different sensors, and robotics, they are changing the livestock and fishery processing in developing countries like India, and they help to produce more meat and feed fish products. It also helps to reduce the waste, ensuring the safety and the confidence of the purchaser is also building. It also helps to meet the global demand. In India, these tools also helping small farmers and fishers to compete the export market, and also it helps to save the different resources. And at the last, we can say that by using these technologies, India can build a strong green food system that feed people and protect the environment all over the globe. So this is all about the smart technologies. So thank you very much. Hello, hello, am I audible? Hello, participants.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Participants, if you have any questions, please ask. Any questions?
Hello,
I think there are no
participants.
questions. Thank you, sir. Thank you on behalf of NADCL. Thank you on behalf of organizing committee. Thank you on behalf of all the team.
Okay, well, thank you.
We
Thank
may
you for
conclude this session here.
okay, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Thanks to all the organizers. Thank you. Thank you very much.